Three common SEO myths busted apart today. My name's Kevin from the Online Visibility Agency, and today we're going to bust out three of the most common myths that you must have heard time and time and time again that are not right. They're nonsense and they're not going to do you any favours. In fact, they'll have the opposite effect to what you're looking for. So myth number one, keyword stuffing works. Keyword stuffing is a good thing for your business. Absolutely it's not. Keyword stuffing, it harms your rankings. It leads to penalties rather than boosting your visibility. Why does it do this? It's because when you stuff keywords into content, it makes it feel unnatural. In a previous video, we talked about the robotic content. This is even worse than that, because what it does is it takes a really good piece of content and it makes it undigestible. Your reader can't understand it because it's got keywords in where they don't naturally flow, where it doesn't go organically. And you know, as well as everybody else knows, that you're trying to trick everybody and get ranked for all of these keywords you've stacked into an article, and you've completely forgotten about the purpose of why you write that blog post in the first place, which is to make a one-on-one connection with a prospect. That's what it's there for. Right? If you ever forget that, then stop blogging, stop writing, just give it up and give it to an agency that can do it properly for you. Because if you decide keyword stuffing is great for you, you might get a couple of weeks of a good win. But you know what? As a long-term strategy, it's going to destroy your reputation. It will get your site blacklisted and you'll never be found ever again. You'll be in the dust pile of the internet search engines. So not a great thing to do. Myth number two, meta tags don't matter. Now, meta tags, so people are saying that they're not as powerful as before, but they still play a massive role in click-through rates. So if you're not looking at your meta tags and you're just overlooking that element to it and going, you know, well, it doesn't really mean anything, I'm not going to bother with that because so-and-so guru said don't do it, they're incorrect. You need to concentrate on the meta tags. They are important and they do make a difference within you being found for what you want to be found for. And myth number three, SEO is a one and done time event. So lots of people say that, well, I'm going to come in, we're going to get an agency in, they're going to optimize our content, and when it's done, and I'll be found forevermore in a day. And that is not the correct information to be receiving. Now, here's why. Because in a previous video, we talked about regularity of content. You need to be updating your site frequently for the search engines to go, you know what, this is a current, updated, good quality content site. If you do SEO as a one and done and you just leave it and it's done, things change, right? Search behaviors change, seasons change, content changes, the requirements for the search engines change, and we need to be constantly reminding the search engines you exist. So to have SEO as a one and done thing is very short-sighted. It may help you out in the very near future, as in first 6 or 8 weeks of your site being launched. As soon as you get into month 3 to 6 and that effect has worn off, it's just going to fall into the depths of the deep, and you're never going to be heard from again. You'll be like the Titanic, but without ever being raised. And nobody's going to find you. Nobody's going to make any inquiries with you. And you're going to go, SEO is rubbish. It doesn't work. Because somebody in their wisdom has told you SEO is a one and done situation, and it's not. SEO work needs to be done on a schedule, on a frequent and regular basis, whether that's optimizing current content on your site, creating new content which is optimized, doing in and out links, doing whatever it is you're doing. It has to be on a regular basis, and it has to be gently and organically done. And if you continue to do that, you'll see continued growth to your point of maximum availability within what you're doing. So they're my 3 tips for today for SEO myths busted. Keyword stuffing works. No, it doesn't. Meta tags don't matter. Yes, they do. And SEO is a one and done deal. No, it's not. If you need any help with any of this, let me know. You know how to contact me. Drop me a message. Have a great day. See you in the next video.